Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening everyone, or as we say in Japanese. おはようございます。こんにちは。そして、こんばんは。Welcome to Step by Step Japanese, where we take your Japanese skills from zero to hero, one phrase at a time. By the end of this video, you have a deeper understanding of these Japanese greetings and be able to use them confidently in both daily life and business situations. Let's get started. First, let's talk about おはようございます. This phrase is equivalent to good morning in English and is used as a morning greeting. In Japan, we use this greeting when we wake up in the morning or when we start work. For example, you might say おはようございます to your family when you wake up or to your colleagues when you arrive at work. In business settings, this greeting is especially important because it conveys politeness and respect. In Japanese culture, even if it's the afternoon or evening, おはようございます is often used when you meet someone for the first time that day, particularly in the workplace. For instance, even if you arrive at work at 3 p.m., it's still common to greet your colleagues with おはようございます Let's start by practicing the pronunciation of おはようございます Please say it slowly with me. おはようございます 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 This is an important phrase used as a morning greeting. Next, let's talk about こんにちは This greeting is similar to hello or good afternoon in English. It is typically used during the daytime from around 11 until late afternoon. For example, you can say こんにちは when you meet a friend during the day or when you see a colleague after lunch. It's also commonly used when meeting someone for the first time and works well in formal situations. The pronunciation might be a bit tricky, but breaking it down into こんにちは can help you get it right. Let's practice the pronunciation of こんにちは Please say it slowly with me. こんにちはこんにちはこんにちは Finally, let's talk about こんばんは This greeting is equivalent to good evening and is used from late afternoon into the night. It's appropriate to use once the sun starts to set. For instance, you might say こんばんは when you meet a friend after work or before a night meeting begins. In Japanese culture, こんばんは is a common way to start evening conversations, which often lead to more relaxed and friendly exchanges. Let's practice the pronunciation of こんばんは Please say it slowly with me. こんばんはこんばんはこんばんは Practice this greeting repeatedly until you feel confident using it in the evening and nighttime. So far, we've covered 3 essential Japanese greetings. おはようございます It's used in the morning. こんにちは during the day and こんばんは in the evening. It's important to use the right greeting according to the time of day. Also, remember that おはようございます can be used by night shift workers as well. Even if someone starts their work late in the day, this greeting is still appropriate. And there you have it, folks. Now you know how to greet someone in Japanese no matter what time of day it is. Practice these and soon enough you'll be greeting everyone like a native. If you enjoyed this lesson, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks to mastering Japanese. In the next video, we'll explore more about Japanese culture, so stay tuned until then. Goodbye!